Now, how do you turn off the Google Newsfeed on your iPhone? And let's get started. So, if you have an iPhone which has the news available, well, basically the newsfeed can be delivering to you news, right? So, at first, I want you to check out the apps section within the settings of your iPhone and then scroll to find the app which is delivering the news to you, right? So it might be a Google News app or some kind of different app, and you want to make sure that the notifications are turned off for that application. Because if you don't have it this way, well, you might be bombarded by all of the pop-ups and notifications with the latest news, and perhaps you don't want that. So this is how you can manage the notifications. Outside of that, you can still delete the third-party news apps if you don't like those, right? So that would be a good step if you really want to get rid of this. And also, if you have any widgets added to your home screen which you are not a fan of and these might be delivering to you some news, well, you can also just hold down on those and remove them from your home screen. So this is how you can basically stop the news feed from Google or even other providers on your iPhone. So that's the approach. So that's again turning off the notifications, removing the widgets, and also getting rid of the app altogether if you don't like it. So that's it. This is just a quick guide. If you have some specific problem, I'm here to help it or help to solve it. So let me know about that in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you later in the next one.